Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news, and expert insights on the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Dacia Logan, a budget-friendly sedan known for its practicality, efficiency, and reliability. Dacia has built a strong reputation for offering affordable vehicles without compromising on essential features, and the latest Logan continues to deliver great value for money. The 2025 Dacia Logan retains its core strengths while introducing updates in design, technology, and performance. It remains an excellent option for those looking for an economical yet comfortable sedan with modern features. The Logan has been a favorite in many markets due to its durability and low running costs, making it an ideal choice for families, first-time car buyers, and fleet operators. Under the hood, the 2025 Logan comes with a range of efficient engine options, catering to different driving needs. The base model features a 1.0-liter three-cylinder petrol engine producing around 90 horsepower, offering adequate performance for city driving and highway cruising. For those looking for better fuel economy, a bi-fuel LPG variant is available, which provides increased mileage while keeping fuel costs low. In select markets, a 1.5-liter diesel engine option is offered, delivering strong torque and excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long-distance driving. All engines are paired with either a 5-speed or 6-speed manual transmission, while a CVT automatic transmission is available in higher trims for added convenience. Fuel efficiency is one of the Logan's biggest advantages, with petrol variants achieving approximately 45 mpg, while the diesel variant pushes efficiency even further. The LPG model provides cost-effective driving, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. Dacia has worked on optimizing the aerodynamics of the new Logan to improve efficiency without compromising performance. In terms of design, the 2025 Dacia Logan features a more modern and refined appearance compared to previous generations. The front grille has been slightly redesigned with a more stylish look, while new LED headlights provide improved visibility and add a contemporary touch to the sedan's overall design. The body lines are more sculpted, giving the Logan a more premium feel while maintaining its practical character. New color options and wheel designs provide additional customization for buyers looking to personalize their vehicle. Inside the cabin, the Logan continues to focus on simplicity and practicality. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with easy-to-use controls and durable materials. Despite being a budget-friendly sedan, Dacia has improved the quality of the interior materials, making the cabin feel more comfortable. The seats are well cushioned, providing good support for both short commutes and long journeys. Rear passengers also benefit from ample legroom, making the Logan a suitable option for small families. The trunk space remains one of the best in its class, offering generous storage capacity for luggage and groceries. Technology-wise, the 2025 Logan is equipped with modern features that enhance the driving experience. A 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system is available in higher trims, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. The system is user-friendly, providing quick access to navigation, music, and hands-free calling. Base models come with a more basic infotainment system but still offer Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports for added convenience. The instrument cluster now includes a small digital display, offering key driving information in an easy-to-read format. Safety remains a priority for Dacia, and the 2025 Logan is equipped with essential safety features to ensure passenger protection. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and a reinforced body structure. Higher trims offer advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, rear parking sensors, and a reversing camera. While the Logan may not have the most high-tech safety suite compared to premium brands, it still provides reliable protection for everyday driving. Driving dynamics in the 2025 Logan are tuned for comfort and stability. The suspension setup is designed to absorb road imperfections, making city and highway driving smooth and comfortable. The steering is light yet precise, allowing easy maneuverability in tight urban spaces. The Logan is not built for sporty performance, but it delivers a predictable and controlled ride that suits daily commuting and long-distance travel. Cabin noise insulation has been improved in this model, reducing road and wind noise for a more refined driving experience. One of the biggest selling points of the Dacia Logan is its affordability and low maintenance costs. Dacia vehicles are known for their durability, with simple and reliable mechanical components that require minimal upkeep. Replacement parts are widely available at affordable prices, ensuring that the cost of ownership remains low. Dacia also offers an attractive warranty package, giving buyers additional confidence in their purchase. The 2025 Logan is available in multiple trims to cater to different customer preferences. The base trim provides essential features at an unbeatable price, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. The mid-range trim adds more comfort and convenience features, such as air conditioning, a touchscreen infotainment system, and power windows. The top-tier trim includes premium touches like alloy wheels, a larger touchscreen, additional safety features, and upgraded upholstery. These trim options allow buyers to select a model that best fits their needs and budget. For those looking for a practical and efficient sedan, the 2025 Dacia Logan remains a strong contender. It continues to offer great value, balancing affordability with essential modern features. Whether you need a reliable daily driver, a spacious family car, or an economic